90-88. Rockets lead the Cavs in Cleveland. Amen. Swing. 3 for Jabari on the way and good. Jabari with a 3. Rockets lead by 5. Mitchell working on Holiday. Spinning. Mitchell down the lane with the layup. It's D-Mitch time. Amen. Pass to KD. He's guarded by Wade. 10 to shoot. KD ahead to Amen. Amen down the lane around Allen. He puts it in. The ball finds the hot hand in Donovan again. Pass to Lonzo. He'll take a 3. Too strong. Hunter taps it out to Jarrett. Back to Mitchell. Donovan. Wild shot. No good. That's before the shot where Amen fouled him.
Donovan Mitchell has really ignited here in the fourth.
Well, you're closing out because he's made so many threes, but as soon as he sees that arm extended forward, he's going to get right into his shot motion.
That's 4 on Amen.
Just watch the spin, folks. It's not like you have to make that spin in such a tight
Craig
window.
Porter Jr. will inbound.
You want the spin to know where he is, and the touch to finish it, that's just so good.
And here we go. Porter Jr. finds Allen. Mitchell alone for 3. Short. Offensive rebound. Mobley, but it's taken by Aaron Holiday. Holiday drives. Holiday blocked by Hunter. But we got a foul on Mitchell.
We'll go to the free throw line for a couple of shots. Mobley didn't see the looming Holiday. Great anticipation to get the steal.
Some man's getting minutes because Tari Eason is hurt, and he's not.
2 shots for Aaron Holiday, and he knocks the first one down. Rockets lead by 6, and here comes the Alps. Alperen Sengun in for Steven Adams. Second shot for Aaron Holiday is good, and the Rockets now lead by 7.
He's made some good defensive plays.
Mitchell will bring it up. The Cavs in the bonus for the rest of the night. Donovan drawing up a play. Donovan, pass to Hunter. Hunter drive. Fouled. Couldn't get the shot to fall. But 2 shots for DeAndre Hunter coming up.
Aaron Holiday didn't read the shot. Right? He made the angle tough.
Another look at it here.
He's got to recover. Right? Like
That foul's on Aaron Holiday.
Your health is going to have time to recover. You don't need to push
Hunter's first shot is up and through.
Hunter, an 84% foul shooter. Into the 6-point contest.
Second foul shot for DeAndre Hunter. It's good. He makes both. The Cavs are behind now by 5. Amen. Picked up by Mitchell. Pass to KD. KD's got Allen. 10 to shoot. Mismatch. KD. Jarrett goes in for a swipe. KD drives. Takes it wild too. Missed. Ball's tipped to Jabari. Jabari had it poked away to Sengun. KD drive. Kick. Open 3. Holiday. Oh, he knocks it down. Corner 3. Aaron Holiday. Rockets up to triple digits, and they lead by 8. Donovan drive, lost it. Turnover. KD lost it, got it back. Ahead to Holiday. Down the lane. Wide open layup. And 1. Aaron Holiday.
Aaron Holiday. Trying to close the deal here.
The Rockets lead by 10.
solid in every single minute. 2-on-1 situation.
Craig Porter Jr. with the foul, and Aaron Holiday will have a chance to complete the 3-point play.
But this young man, foot on the gas pedal, one defender to beat.
He didn't even score through the first 3 quarters. The fourth quarter, he's got 16 points and counting. The Rockets lead by 11.
That comeback look against Orlando a couple of nights ago. As Houston looks to maintain its winning streak.
Hunter.
And boost it up to
Inside on Jabari. Pulls up. Shot fake. Now to Mobley, who drives. Mobley into Şengün. That'll be a foul on Alperen Şengün. Mobley will take 2 foul shots.
3:37 to go, but the lead back up to double figures. As you mentioned, they haven't helped themselves tonight. They haven't finished their breakfast. They missed a bunch, 18 of 28.
First shot for Mobley is up,
4 for 8.
and he missed it.
Now 4 for 9. Well, next Wednesday, our Thanksgiving Eve special. What a great day of basketball. Pistons at Celtics at 5 p.m. Minnesota at OKC at 7:30. followed by
Mobley misses both.
Rockets Warriors.
And Ahmed comes up with the rebound.
It's available on ESPN and the all-new
Holiday.
ESPN app.
Guarded by Porter Jr.
The first one of those.
Holiday pass. KD open 3. No good. Ahmed Donovan tip it. Donovan comes up with the rebound. Ahead to Craig Porter Jr. Lob. Allen with the throwdown. And we'll get a timeout
Houston calls timeout.
by Ime Udoka.
Disappointed at the lack of transition defense.
3:13 to go in Cleveland. The Rockets lead 103-94.
Brunson ready to go. One of the league's leading scorers.
With Straight Talk's real score.
Welcome back. The Rockets lead by 9. Aaron Holiday, 18 points in the fourth.
To come because multiple people are going to go at Kevin Durant, and Alperen Şengün and Holiday has stepped in beautifully and made shots.
Holiday now with the ball, picked up by Mitchell.
For the Rockets.
Holiday pass. Ahmed will drive. Now Şengün. Şengün backing down Wade, turning. Şengün is fouled by Dean Wade. And that'll be free throws for Alperen Şengün with just under 3 minutes to go.
And we're getting a look at, it's not quite a clutch situation, 5 points or less with 5 minutes or less to go, but it's how
20 points, 9 rebounds, and 7 assists tonight for Şengün.
we saw it a couple of nights ago.
And make that 21 points as he rattles the first free throw home. The Rockets lead by double
Do you
digits
think
once
the
again.
amount of ball handling doors Durant does and Şengün does, it mitigates the loss of Van Vliet ultimately or not?
Both free throws are good by Şengün.
Multiplier with his ability to execute, get those two off the ball, put them.
Donovan will bring it up for the Cavs.
The level of physicality being sent to Kevin Durant right now is extremely.
Donovan drives past 2 defenders down the lane. He puts it in over Şengün and crashes into the photographers. Donovan Mitchell doing all he can to keep the Cavs in it. 21 points, 19 this quarter. Just like Holiday, he had a slow start. Ahmed gets the roll on the layup. Porter stops, now spins, shoots over Holiday, and misses, and the rebound crashes into Jabari's hands. Holiday, pass, Şengün in the post. 10 to shoot. Şengün backing down Wade, turning. Şengün driving under the basket, kick, open 3, KD. No, Şengün weak side offensive board. And he stepped out of bounds. That's a turnover.
Less than 2 minutes.
He's asking the bench to take a look at it. Ime is waving him off.
Porter inbounds to Mitchell. Mitchell gets a screen, runs right into Ahmed, falls, ball's loose. Mobley's got it. Swing to Hunter, who drives. Hunter met by KD, who stuffed him, but he'll foul him in the process of the stuff. Hunter to the line.
But if you remember the non-whistle, when Mitchell looked like he went through a defender, no whistle, same kind of play, but advantage of men there.
Hunter at the free throw line, clock stopped with 1:46 to go, a chance to get it down to 9.
Hunter makes the first. And we'll have substitutions.
Out one of their best shooters, Sam Merrill. Out with a hand injury.
No Sam Merrill, no Max Strus.
Hunter makes both. No substitutions. I was wrong. Ahmed brings it up. Porter guards him. Ahmed. Left wing. Porter all over him. Flip to KD. He's guarded by Mitchell. KD. Swing. Jabari drive. Jabari around. Porter missed the layup off back iron. Here comes Mobley. To Porter. To Hunter. A three. Good! DeAndre Hunter with a big three, and the Cavs are down by 6.
Kevin or Şengün, and they're saying somebody else beat you.
Şengün. Mobley, the reigning DPOY on him. Şengün with Mobley all over him. Driving. Şengün gets Mobley the jump, and he laid it in. Şengün lulled him to sleep. Hunter doubled. Poked away by Ahmed, but the ball's out of bounds. Last touch by Hunter. It's a turnover.
That's the call on the floor.
His defensive ability is so special.
Ball's into Holiday. Holiday. Pass to Şengün. Mobley again guarding him. At the logo, 10 to shoot. 40 seconds left. Şengün starting to go. Şengün runs into a wall, and that'll be a foul on Mobley. Alperen Şengün to the line to shoot 2. Both teams are in the bonus.
36.7 to go.
Şengün is right on his averages, Mark. 24 points, 10 rebounds, 7 assists. They have struggled with turnovers tonight, but two men still.
First shot goes for Şengün.
This Houston team, the number 1 rated offensive team. Doris, the nitpickers will say that their defense isn't quite what it was last year when it was ranked number 1.
Both shots go down for Alperen Şengün, and Mobley will inbound it ahead to Hunter.
Is it good enough?
Well, if you're asking me, are they
Hunter, 3 over Şengün. High riser, balls into the net.
After that bucket, the lead down to 7. Hunter with the long
Jabari to Şengün. Mobley immediately fouls him.
to put Şengün back at the free throw line.
More free throws for Alperen Şengün.
Center run to get the ball so he can go to the free throw line.
Pretty versatile skill set. Alpi Şengün, 74% foul shooter. He forced overtime with his game-tying shot with 0.2 to go in the previous contest against Orlando. Let's look at his numbers tonight. And if there's something positive, Doris, to be taken from tonight for Cleveland, it's that Hunter
Şengün makes the first.
So showing signs of
And the Rockets now
resurrecting from his
lead by 8.
three-point shooting slump. Donovan Mitchell and Wild
Second shot goes for Şengün,
I do think, Mark,
and we got a timeout
save our judgment of Cleveland
on the
until they
floor.
get all their pieces back.
With 30.3 to go. It's Kenny Atkinson calling his second to last.
9-point game.
The Rockets lead by 9 in Cleveland. Rocket Arena. We'll be right back to there after this break.
So far with Houston.
Welcome back to Rocket Arena. The Rockets, ironically, lead the Cavs by 9. Cleveland has really cleared out the arena. The fans have left mostly. Mobley for 3. That's off. Rebound Jabari. And he's tied up by Wade and foul.
Which will put Jabari Smith Jr. at the free throw line.
2 shots for Jabari
Wade with
with 26 seconds to go in the game.
This is the beginning of a road trip for the Houston Rockets. They'll play 16 of the next 22 games on the road, assuming they don't miss the NBA Emirates Cup knockout rounds.
First shot for Jabari. Oh, he missed it.
Meanwhile, Houston, Cleveland has 2 more games remaining on this homestand. Don't forget, coming up next, it's the Knicks and the Mavericks.
Jabari, second shot rattles through. He splits a pair. Leads back up to 10.
Anytime he plays against Dallas,
Mobley into Lonzo.
take a little, I don't know if I call it revenge
Mobley
game or
spinning.
revenge mode, but
Mobley drives. Swings to Hunter for three. Missed it. Rebound Şengün. Ahead to Aaron Holiday.
To motivate.
And the Rockets will dribble it out. And Aaron Holiday, a fourth quarter explosion, leads the Rockets to a double-digit win against the Cavs in Rocket Arena, the home of the Cavaliers. What a win for the Rockets. They move up to 10-3, and the Cavs fall to 10-6. Thank y'all for watching. See y'all later. RBL. Peace.